There he is. There they are. Well, come on. Here comes little Charlotte. Hi, Moke. Hiya. Hi, Charlotte. Hi, Charlotte. Hi, Charlotte. Such a good girl. Hi, Charlotte. Such a good girl. And there's Moke and Charlotte. There's Yankee. Oh, Yankee's butt. Pipe. Dexter. Dexter. All right. There's nobody there. You got another one of my socks? No. So peaceful back here. Yeah, they're just farting around, these guys. They're just looking at each other and debating what to do. Moke's watching the fort. Dexter's here beside me, checking out the scenery. Birds are chirping. Dogs are just being their self. Nothing interesting going on back here. Dexter and Moke. Hey, Moke. Moke. Mokey.